Okay, I got a trial copy of Home Designer Pro 2023. Just going to draw a box with walls. I'm going to put a cabinet there. I'm going to emulate your cabinet. I'm going to make this one 4 feet wide. 4 feet. Okay, might as well open that dialogue box again. Now, from what I saw, let's see. For the general tab, toe kick. Yeah, has no toe kick. See, I got rid of that. And I'm going to click here and delete the doors, and click here and delete that space, which makes it all a big drawer. We'll go to door drawer, and got a slab drawer, so that's what I want. I'm going to get rid of a drawer handle. See, now it's a flat surface. And from your photograph, I believe there's kind of a plank looking material on the cabinet. So let me reference that. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, a couple of planks and then a really thick countertop, sink kind of a thing. Okay. So I'm going to make this, I'll go back to general. Yeah, I'm going to make the height 24 and make it floor to bottom 6 inches. That's no, 12 inches. Okay, now I'm going to go to the materials tab and cabinet exterior. Go over here to materials, decking, yeah, plank, and no, something like that. Okay, I got to do the door too. Well, I'll just do that in camera. Get a camera. Okay. More complicated than I thought it was going to be. Take this and put it on the door. Now it's running the right way this way, but it's on the side that's not. So that looks kind of goofy to me. So I'm going to change this material to just a patternless wood. Let's see, I want to go over to just wood. It's going to be something like red oak, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, that, from my point of view, it's okay. Now I'm going to click on this cabinet and go to the general tab again. A lot of you guys don't realize how much power there is in the dialog box for things. But see, there's a countertop, and I'm going to make it 8 inches. See, there's your emulated countertop. Let me go back to that image. Okay, it's white color, so we'll go over to materials, countertop. And I think I'm going to put in Puro. I've used this material before. It may not exist in the trial version. Okay. Let me go back to this library material. Okay, all right. And in my Chief Architect Premiere, I can easily get it that way. Okay. Let's see, a stone slab. Let's see what's available. Travertine, limestone. That's close enough. Now, how do we get that fancy sink? See, I got it floating. Maybe that's a little bit too thick. Let's take that countertop and make it 6 inches. Okay. Next thing, whoops. Okay. You go back to the library browser. I don't see it. We'll go to view library browser. Oh, okay. Made that sucker huge last time I used it. Okay. And we go to architectural fixtures, plumbing fixtures, faucets. Mm, not wall mounted, not shower. Okay. Like your picture. Now doing the sink, I'm just going to go over here and to the library browser and go to yeah, plumbing fixtures. But in this case, we want to go to sinks and bathroom sinks without fixtures. It's not really, I wanted to get a undermount. Let's see what we can do. Let's put that there and take this and hit the tab key, and then you can alter this. Change that, make it skinnier. But it's not really totally ideal. You just click and then hit the tab key. Let me get rid of that. Try this shape. Tab key. Move buttons. Yeah, this is an undermount, but to emulate the shape, I don't have a lot of choices. It's just, if I was in Premiere, I could just cut a hole in the countertop and then put a polyline solid, which Home Designer Pro doesn't have, and do it that way and get this exact look. But this, I think this is, for Home Designer Pro, this is close enough. You know, you be the judge. I mean, yeah, it's less than ideal. I don't think there's any settings there where I can alter that, and there's a limited amount of number of shapes for undermounts. Yeah, that none of those will work. Maybe that will work. I'm not sure. Let me go. We'll just give that a shot. I may be up against the limitations in Home Designer Pro, but I'm going to take this and reshape it. Place that symbol there. And for the top, it should be, yeah, about that. Make it 36. 36.25. The problem with this, let me go back to the camera. It doesn't cut a hole in the countertop because it's not that kind of a sync symbol. Let me get rid of that. Excuse me. Now in Premiere, I can cut a hole in this. I don't know if you can do it in Home Designer Pro. Let me go over here to the cabinet tools. And draw a custom countertop here, and then select the custom countertop and see if I can. It doesn't look like I can. Okay, well, I'm going to take that custom countertop. I just thought of this. I'm going to go over to the materials, and I'm going to go to miscellaneous materials, opening no material. In other words, no material, invisible. See if that works. Well, okay. I thought I was changing the custom countertop, but that's that. I'm going to hit the tab key. See what this selection is. Okay, that's my countertop. That's not what okay, I think I'm going to try a different slant on this. I think that was, yeah, I remember it was originally limestone of some kind. Yeah. Okay. There it is. There it is. That the custom countertop is the one I wanted to change. I wasn't selecting it. Oh. Okay. Let me check that with a camera. Okay. And what I want to do is make that custom countertop invisible, to cut a hole in the. This may not work, you know. I don't know everything. That's the reason I'm trying this. Opening no material. Yeah. It makes the whole thing invisible. Okay. So this isn't going to work because I can't cut a hole in the countertop like I can in Premiere. So I would recommend you go without fixtures. Shape wise, this will get you the closest, but this is probably closer in terms of undermount. There's no way that I know of to alter that shape the way you really need it to alter. Yeah, I could stretch it. But that's really not the sink in the picture. Yeah, it's squared off. So yeah, you have to work with the limitations in the software, and Premiere gives you more ways to work around some of those limitations. Home Designer Pro does not. Sorry. Well, I hope this helps you, but whether it does or not, make it a great day. Thank you, and adios.